Sloppy Joe, Sloppy Joe. I'm going to show you one of my favorite uses for leftover brisket. We're going to make some sloppy joes on the Blackstone Griddle, and it is going to be awesome. Got the griddle warmed up, running about 400 degrees or so. Just to kick this up a notch, this is some tallow that I made from some brisket trim that I had. Gonna get this all over the griddle. Got an onion that I diced up. This is a large onion. It's roughly about 3/4 of a large onion. Gonna hit it with just a little bit of kosher salt and just a little bit of black pepper. Now, obviously, if you don't have any tallow, you can always use oil. I use grapeseed oil, olive oil, whatever you like. Next up, got some brisket. This is some leftover brisket I had in the freezer. I went ahead and gave it a rough chop inside earlier, and now it is going on. I've let it go for about 3 or 4 minutes just to warm it through. Got myself some bench scrapers. I'm just going to start chopping up. Everything's nice and chopped up. I got a can of diced tomatoes. Gonna add that in. And the finishing touch, going with my favorite barbecue sauce. Around here, when we use barbecue sauce, we usually use Sweet Baby Ray's. Use your favorite barbecue sauce. Gonna give it just a little taste. So if I need to adjust any seasoning, I'll do it now. That's perfect. One tip I'll give you, I have these 2 zones running. I have no heat over here. I always like to have a cool zone and a hot zone, whether I'm using charcoal or whether I'm working on the griddle. So that way I can move this over here. It will stay warm, but it's not gonna overcook. Got some Martin's potato buns. I'm gonna toast those up just for a second. There we go. Here we go. Yes. It is messy, but man, it tastes great. Now, obviously, you don't have to use brisket to do this. You can use ground beef, but something about that smoked brisket kind of kicks this up a notch. It's really, really good. And the best part, start to finish on the griddle took me about 10 minutes. You can't beat that. So if you got some leftover meat, wondering what to do with it, Sloppy Joe's is the way to go. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider giving me a like, a subscribe, or drop me a comment. I would greatly appreciate it. Every time you do that, it helps to push me out to just a few more people. So help me to continue and spread the word. And as always, get up, go out, cook some good food. Be a little bit better tomorrow than you were today, and I'll catch you next time. Sloppy Joe, Sloppy Joe.